Hey, I'm Felix, and welcome to Millennial Dad Explains. Every week I break down one thing your kid needs to learn, give you the words to explain it, and a game you can play together tonight. Let's figure this out. Last week I left you with a teaser. Don't pay your kid to brush their teeth. Today, the rule that explains why, and how to pay your kid for work without breaking the lesson. Here is the trap most parents fall into. Pay for everything, and one day your kid will not pick up his own toy without asking what is in it for him. We did not mean to do that, but that is what happened. The fix is simple. 3 buckets. Every task in your house lives in one of them. 2 are free, 1 has a price. Watch. Bucket 1, you jobs. Brushing teeth, getting dressed, putting your own plate in the sink, cleaning up your own toys. The rule for this bucket: you are a person. This is what people do. Never paid. Bucket 2, family jobs. Setting the table, feeding the dog, helping carry groceries in. The rule for this bucket: you are family. This is what families do. Never paid. Bucket 3, paid jobs. Washing the car, pulling weeds, organizing the garage, walking the neighbor's dog. The rule for this bucket: this is real work. Real work has a price, paid every time. Here is the simple test for any task. Would a neighbor pay someone to do this? Not your kid. Anyone. If yes, it is a paid job. If no, it is free. That test works every time. This is the part that matters. Your kid sees the line. He learns that some work is just being a person, and some work has a price. Both are real. They are just different. Quick word to you, the parent. Probably nobody drew this line for you when you were small, so you got one of 2 extremes. Some of us were paid for everything and grew up confused when the world stopped tipping us for showing up. Some of us were paid for nothing and grew up not knowing what work was actually worth. The 3 buckets fix both. My parents paid for nothing. I thought asking for money to wash the car was greedy. It took me 10 years of being an adult to learn that real work has a real price, and asking for it is not greedy. It is normal. Save your kid those 10 years. Common mistake: paying for the wrong bucket. $5 for brushing teeth, $2 for clearing his plate. That is you jobs. That is family jobs. The moment you put a price on those, the lesson breaks. All right, the play of today. It is called the big sort. One afternoon, 12 cards, your kid. You need 3 things: 12 task cards, chores around your house, 3 zones on the table, you, family, paid. That is it. The play pack below has the cards ready. Sit on the floor with your kid. Read each card out loud. Before you place it, ask, which bucket? He will get most of them. He will fight you on 1 or 2. That is the conversation you came for. Here is the magic. Every family is different. In our house, maybe setting the table is family. In your house, maybe it is you. Decide together. Write it down. From now on, that is the rule in your house. Last step. Look only at the paid pile. Pick a price for each one. $1, $2, whatever fits your house. Now your kid knows what is free, what is family, and what he can earn by name and by number. In the description below, I'm dropping the free Big Sort cards. 12 tasks, 3 zones, ready to print. Sit with your kid this weekend. Sort together. Watch what happens. One afternoon, 12 cards, 3 buckets. That is the system. Quick teaser for next week. Your kid earned 3 coins washing the car. He wants to spend all 3 on candy. Fine. But that yes to candy is also a no. No to a small toy. No to ice cream tomorrow. No to the bigger toy he was saving for. No to a gift for someone he loves. Every yes is a silent no. Next week, the most important word in money your kid has never heard. Now you've got the play. Try it tonight and tell me how it went in the comments. If this helped, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. I'm Felix. Let's keep figuring this out.